Welcome back to my channel. Here representing for Oneil Grant Lighting and Decor. This setup, we are at the Grand Palladium. We're doing a Jamaica color decoration. This is a part of the Independence setup for 2021. So we're just showing you a few clips. So just stay tuned, be in tune, and enjoy, okay?
The youth tell me sorry for we claim say them a warrior, better than go done DJ. Tell me sorry for we claim say them a warrior, tell them that's not the way. Tell me sorry for we claim say them a warrior, better than go done DJ. Tell me sorry for we claim say them a warrior, the Almighty God lead the way. Things where you walk one with a full time, you stop it. No put no 45 in a your plastic pocket. Put down the 16, also the matic. When you see the clock, look who you nobody touch it. Live by the AK, by it or it bucket. Long time me a warn you, but you did a show need. You see the gun thing, look who you did not pretty. And certain type of live it, me sure it no make.
Well, there you have the Jamaican color, but this here, right here, this is the Jamaica flag. So take a look at it. This is beautiful, amazing. I enjoy, trust me, I enjoy this. This is amazing, very, very creative. Whosoever did this, yeah man. So you don't know, Jamaica, big up yourself. Yeah, Jamaica Independence 2021. Me love Jamaica, me nah sell out. Them a try clip we wings so we can fly out. Me love me hard and that I no doubt. When you're too outspoken, them try to shut your mouth. I'm locked up, tell them to let me out. When you're too powerful, them try to get you out. Cause next him Bob Marley shoulda still there. Peter touch nitty-gritty. Tenor saw job so young. Oh, what a pity. Right now me I go bring it down to the nitty-gritty. Miss Low, Mars Run, Charles Zayat, and all who never make it on the world scene or nationally. You are gone. No respect. Special big up, Oliver, Titus, Muffy. Them say you not work if you not perspire. So somebody tell Capleton, more fire. Full time you stop it, no put no 45 in a your plastic pocket. Put down the 16, also the matic. When you see the clock, look how you nobody touch it. Live by the AK, by it or kicky bucket. Long time me a warn you, but you did a show need. You see the gun thing. From here to there, we're doing our best, so we're just showing off our skill. And this is just a part of it. We have a lot more to do, but we are a bit busy, so I may not be able to video anything else for today. But for right now, this is where we're at, So we're at the Grand Palladium Resort. We're doing our thing, okay? Alright? The youth tell me sorry for we claim say them a warrior, better than go done DJ. Tell me sorry for we claim say them a warrior, tell them that. It's my pleasure to have you guys on this journey with me, as usual. As I say, one love, job bless. So let's go, as I would say. Yeah. We are approaching the end of another video. So all of my Jamaicans, even if you are not a Jamaican, you love Jamaica, To each and everyone who come across this video, you know what to do. Just subscribe to the channel, Oneil Grand Lighting and Decor. And you know, yeah man, just hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So just tune in, be in tune and enjoy. One love, God bless.